I really like the environment here where we have a lot of foods, drinks, and a lot of colleagues to work with. This is really like an inspiration project for me because before we're working from home for a long time and I never had an in-person hackathon until this year. So this is really amazing.
Why should people care about Hackathon?
I think it embodies so much of not only what the garage team is all about in the collaboration, new skills, and finding ways to connect with other members of our community, not just here locally in Vancouver, but around the world. Just our concept to innovation, our push to break into new territory for people, find new ways to collaborate, and the garage is kind of the fusion between the big and the small, the global and the local communities coming together.
I loved my team, and the hacking, especially like yesterday when we were wrapping everything up, was so much fun. And we stayed late, and there was like emotions like watching the best game. I love it.
It's also really great to see everyone back at the office. You don't get to see this many people on any given day, so that's also been very fun.
The team has been able to, as a build team, to put together so much work within such a short period of time.
We want to thank our team.
Yeah, thank our team. Thank you.
I worked remotely for the most parts, but I really liked this setup of the space here and this closing that's going on right now. It's really cool.
Having everything back in person is really exciting. I think it's a really unique opportunity to kind of get people together, and I'm just excited to see the office like livening up again.
I mean, if you just look around, like look at the sheer energy of like all the hackers that are here with us today. My favorite part though, I think, has been the team around me and just like the supportive atmosphere that we've really come together, and we plan to continue working on this in the future too. So like that energy is so valuable to me. I am so thankful that Microsoft Vancouver has like given us this opportunity. So I think that's my favorite part about the hackathon so far. Yeah.
I get to, people get to play my game and I get to see their projects, right? So it's really amazing, like to see everyone together here.
The garage provides everything. I mean, what they can. Sensors, devices, 3D printers. It already gives us like high advantage. In a week, you can come up with such a device, designing it and really printing it. And obviously like this week was amazing with all kinds of games organized by garage team.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your participation at Hackathon. Thank you for coming to Science Fair. I hope you enjoyed yourselves as much as we enjoyed hosting for you. Enjoy the rest of your time, and I will see you all here again.